Hi guys, it's Rhonda from R&J RV Adventures. Today I wanted to show you my DIY project. It's kind of small, but it's quite useful. Oh, and before I forget, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when we upload. All right, let's get started. If you've seen our previous video about our RV where we gave a tour and everything, you might remember me mentioning the wall next to our oven that didn't have anything on it. It was just the sheetrock and wallpaper basically. So I didn't really care for that, so I decided to do something about it. But here's a refresher of the video, just in case you forgot. Here's the oven and the stovetop. Right here, this is just a wallpapered wall. Anything that you cook on your stove, and I do cook here, like every trip I'm cooking in here, so this can get splattered on. It's not like covered with the same tile type of stuff that the backsplash is. It doesn't continue around here, so you know, grease and stuff can actually get really gross on this wall if you're not careful. So I achieved the look by just getting regular old peel and stick tiles at Lowe's and just cutting them to fit and everything, and they look like reclaimed wood. And it happened to be that all the colors within this reclaimed wood look matched the interior of our RV, so we were very fortunate in that. So this is how I did it. All right, that's going to do it for us for today. Thanks for checking us out. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, you know, DIY kind of stuff, let us know in the comments and let us know what you think. Have you ever used peel and stick tiles? Have you ever done any sort of DIY? Let us know. Also, if you have any questions, ask away. We'd love to hear from you. So for Jim and myself, again, thanks for watching. And just remember, never take anything for granted. And we'll see you out there. Bye. Oh, and one other thing. Really sorry about the noise. It's absolutely pouring outside here right now of our RV.